2,000 years later.
Hello guys, hope you all are fine. So today we are going to draw troll face and I hope you guys will like it, so let's start. As you can see, I have started drawing, but first I am going to draw it roughly. So first we are going to draw the head like this. Now I am coming downwards like this, as you can see in the video. This is just like an alphabet C. Now I'm drawing a line which is coming downwards and also drawing one more line that is connecting to the C, which is on our right hand side. So now let's draw the nose, and as you can see I have started drawing the nose and I am selling everything step by step so you guys can understand it easily and also draw it perfectly. Now draw a curved line, and now I am drawing the eyes. Eyes are the basically shape of an almond. Once again with those steps, like you draw the right eye, again draw the left eye, and now I'm drawing some lines that are basically the details. So draw 2 lines on the head, and we'll also add some details on the face. As you can see, I'm drawing more lines on the face. You just have to memorize all the places where we have to add lines, and then your work will be more easy. Now we have to draw the mouth, and here's I'm drawing a curved line. As I told you that there are many things to add in this face, I mean more details. Now you have to left some space which we are going to color black, which you can see in the video that how much space we have to leave and where we have to leave that space. So I hope you understand, and now I'm drawing the teeth. And just add the details and more details. So now you have to draw the eyebrows, and you can see how slowly I'm drawing the eyebrows, and here we have to add some more details. As you can see, I have done drawing with the pencil, and now I'm gonna outline it.
A few moments later.
So everyone, I have started outlining, but when I was drawing with the pencil, it was not clearly visible. So now while outlining, you can see everything, what you have to draw and where you have to draw. Everything is clearly visible now. I have a little request from you guys that please watch my video too, and because it helps a lot. So now you can see I am outlining the eyebrows, and soon I'm gonna jump on the eyes. And you people have to comment me that are you a fan of troll faces, and do comment me, don't forget to comment. So we're just outlining the details, and now I'm outlining the eyes. What happened to my voice? Wait. Okay, it's mine now. Okay, now we are done with everything, and just teeth and a little bit details are left to outline. So everyone, there's a good news that we are done. By the way, if you people are still here, then lots of thank you, and I hope you really like it. And if you like it, then what are you waiting for? Hit the like button now, and take care everyone. Bye, see you next time.